Welcome to CataList. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to enable reading copy requests in publisher accounts. You might be familiar with the notion that advanced reading copies, also called ARCs or galleys, has been a great way for publishers and sales reps to generate interest for their forthcoming titles among retailers, reviewers, librarians, and wholesalers. By offering reading copies in CataList, publishers can give professional readers a look at their most compelling new titles. To begin, head over to bncatalyst.ca and log into your CataList publisher account. Only account managers or catalog editors can enable reading copy requests. First, please make sure you have either type of account. There's a quick and easy way to navigate to reading copies page. On the top right of your screen, click on the name or the gears icon and choose the reading copies option, and you'll be directed to the reading copies page inside settings. To enable reading copy requests of forthcoming titles, click Yes. You can edit this preference at any time. Professional readers can request ARCs in either juvenile, fiction, non-fiction, and young adult BISAC categories. Select the categories you'd like to receive ARC requests for. You may allow requests for all categories, or you may decide to accept requests only in one or two categories. Choose the settings that works best for you. Professional readers are spread across different account types, such as librarians, retailers, media, independent book reviewers, and wholesalers. Choose the account types you would like to receive advanced copy requests from. Notifications for ARC requests can be sent to the person best suited in your business via email. This might be you or your colleague. You can enter a desired email address beside your account type to receive ARC request notifications. One email address per line. You have the option of receiving weekly summary of all reading copy requests. To opt in for weekly summary emails, select this checkbox. Once you are happy with all your selections, click OK to save your settings. Now you're ready to receive advanced copy requests and create more buzz around your forthcoming titles. Want to expand your CataList knowledge? Find links to the related tutorial videos in the description below.